In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to WordPress admin. If you've just set up a WordPress site or you're managing an existing one, getting into the admin area is the very first step to customizing your site, publishing content, and managing plugins. I'll walk you through the process clearly, add helpful context, and share a few simple tips to avoid common hiccups. First, open your browser. Any modern browser works: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Make sure your internet connection is stable, and consider using a private or incognito window if you're on a shared computer. This helps keep your session clean and your credentials secure. Next, go to yourdomain.com WP admin. Replace yourdomain.com with your actual domain. This is the standard shortcut to the WordPress login screen and the admin dashboard. If your site is set up with HTTPS, and most should be, you'll see a secure connection with a padlock in the address bar. If the WP admin link redirects, you might briefly see WP login PHP. That's normal and part of how WordPress handles authentication. If you get a 404 or a page that doesn't look like WordPress, double-check the domain spelling and confirm you're visiting the correct site URL. When the login page appears, enter your username or the email address associated with your WordPress account, along with your password. Usernames and passwords in WordPress are case-sensitive, so watch out for capital letters and accidental spaces, especially if you're copying and pasting. If your browser offers to fill in a saved password, verify it's the right one for this specific site, particularly if you manage multiple WordPress installs. Using a reputable password manager can reduce typos and help keep your credentials strong and unique. Finally, click Login. If everything is correct, you'll land in the WordPress dashboard, sometimes called the admin area, where you can create posts and pages, adjust settings, install themes and plugins, and manage users. If the page simply refreshes without logging you in, clear your browser cache and cookies for this site and try again. For security, consider bookmarking the WP admin URL now so you can return to it quickly next time without searching. And if you're on a public or shared computer, remember to log out when you're finished to protect your site. That's all it takes. Open your browser, go to yourdomain.com admin. Enter your username or email and password and click Login. With these basics in place, you're ready to manage your WordPress site confidently.